Hi, I am Daniel. I am the drummer for the Latriels. I've been playing with them for 2 years, gigging around all around Liverpool. But I've been playing by myself just for about 6 or 7 years. I have recently acquired 5A Collision sticks, which are unreal sticks. I've been using these for about just under 2 weeks, and they look brand new. They're so comfortable to use, really comfortable, will not break for probably a few years if I had to guess. Now the Collision brand itself is something I really love and I can relate to, just because the amount of artists who are signed and are lovely people just have so much information to share. They've got plenty of advice to give you, and the sticks themselves, there's a wide range of them, ranging from 2Bs to 7As to anything you need. You've got grip tape, just in case your hands get sweaty. There's a wide range of things to get from Collision, so it's a big brand. Well, I think it's a big brand anyway, which I'm really proud to be hopefully signed to use. Now I'm about to play, I forgot what I was about to play now, I've remembered, Slipknot. I've been playing some Slipknot recently, and one of my favourite songs is Unsainted. So I'm going to be playing Unsainted by Slipknot.